everyone, it's me Ayesha Ahmed and you're watching Kids World. And today I'll share with you what is inside my pink bag. And what are we waiting for? So let's get started! Friends, welcome back. And this is my bag and with the sanitizer and the keychain put on your backpack. And the inside we'll show you about that later. Welcome back everyone. This is my pink bag. But it's not yellow. Pink and yellow are my favorite color. And it also have a pink sanitizer and a pink keychain that you put on your backpack. Okay friends, now let's see what's inside. Wow. First one is, this is my wet tissue and it's so big. So friends, this is wet tissue and it's also color pink and white. When your hands are looking dirty, you have to use this when your hands are looking dirty. Next thing is the normal tissue. The normal tissue that you clean your nose when there's a dirt inside, you have to use it. So friends, here's my dinosaur wallet and let me show you what's inside it. Here it is. There is a 5 real inside and a 1 real inside. Inside this, there's 100 real, and a 10 real. Now let's see what's inside the next one. First inside is, this is the hand and body lotion. You use it when you're taking a shower. You have to wear it, put it on. And this is my lipstick and it's color red. Look. This is my lipstick. This is my wallet. This is the wet tissue, a dry tissue, and the hand and body lotion. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button so you can see all my educational videos so you can watch this video ever you want to.